scientist! Remember that little bee that we saw last week that came in the window to help pollinate our flower? Well, I think it let in some of its friends too. There are little holes in all the leaves. I think someone's been visiting this flower pot for lunch. What tiny creatures could be responsible for this? What's this, Mia? A riddle? Okay, let's read it together. You'll find 3 parts of my body when we meet. A head, a thorax, and an abdomen make me complete. With 6 legs, I crawl or hop around. 2 antennae help me explore the ground. Sometimes I fly with wings that shine. What am I? Guess the name, that's mine. Legs that crawl, wings that shine. What do you think it is? Ah, an insect! But what kind? The bee helped the flowers, but this one is making these leaves its lunch. Let's head back to the garden. We can use the clues in this riddle to help us find some insects. And maybe we can find our leaf eater. Here we are! Okay, I've made a list of the insect parts from the riddle. We can find some bugs, check them for the right parts, and notice if any of them have a taste for leaves. First, we need to find 3 body parts. Humans and many animals have a head and an abdomen, but insects have a head, an abdomen, and a thorax, a part between their head and abdomen. Let's see. Ah! It's an ant! Can you count the parts on this ant's body? There's the head, the thorax in the middle, and the abdomen. 1, 2, 3 body parts. Next are the legs. Insects are the only animals that have 6 legs. The number of legs they have can help you tell them apart from other bugs and small animals. Ooh, what about this spider? Do you think it's an insect? Let's count its legs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Nope, that's too many legs. We might call spiders bugs, but they aren't really insects. Let's check the ant again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wow, that's quite a lot. What do you think that insects use all of those legs for? This praying mantis uses 4 of its legs to stand and the other 2 like arms. Beetles use their legs to help them dig into the ground. And this grasshopper has extra long back legs that help it jump between far away blades of grass. Now, what else makes an insect an insect? They should also have 2 antennae. Those are the long wiggly parts attached to insects' heads. Where did that ant go? Here they are. 1, 2. I wonder what those could be for. Our riddle said the antennae help insects explore the ground, but they have eyes. So what do these things do? Do you see how these ants are waving their antennae around them? Could insects' antennae have something to do with their senses? Antennae work a little like a few of our senses together: feeling, smelling, and tasting. Insects use them to help move around and sense if there's anything around to eat. Lastly, some insects have 2 wings. Our ant does not have wings, but some insects do. Why do you think that is? We know that wings help birds fly. What could insects use them for? Here's an insect we've seen before, a butterfly. This one has 1, 2 wings. Do you remember what butterflies eat? Right, nectar from flowers. Those flowers can be up really high, and flying helps them travel to find their food. I remember we learned something special about butterflies' life cycles, or how they grow. They go through a big change after they hatch from their eggs, called a metamorphosis. Do you think other insects go through the same thing? This little bug doesn't look like it right now, but it's a ladybug. They are in their larva stage, much like a butterfly hatches as a caterpillar. They will form a pupa, a type of cocoon, and hatch once more as a shiny flying beetle. Hey, where are those shiny wings flying off to? Aha! I think we found our leaf eater. Thank you for helping me investigate today, scientist. Until next time, keep creating, and I'll see you in the science studio.
Hey, hey.